KARATE-SENSEIBWOY256. Ndi coach wa karate era nga sawa zino tuli wali no tubesingidde ku kitebe kya Labwor Combat Sports Club wali Muyinga. She's also going to join you. Let's go, 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 go. Now classes za karate is going on wanene z'abaana n'abantu abakulu muli open musobola okujoininga. Are you now ready? Focus guys. Sun. She. Hatch. No. I didn't tell you to do this. I'm going to tell you what to do with this. Hatch. Just go. Adrian, not this side. Don't pass this side. Cool. And Ju, change. Now going this side. Sun. Bella. She. Go. Rock. Ku and Ju. Okay. Walk around as you're taking a deep breath in. Breathe in. Out. We go. Breathe in. Out. Okay, we use one side. Here, press this. Breathe in. And out. Jump over. Nice. Very good. Then you go. Run back faster. Nice. Very good. That's 2. Go. Nice. We go. Anji. Go. Let's go. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Promise is here. She's also going to join you. Let's go. Yes. 6. We go. Keep moving. Move. Guys, when you're done, you see Adrian? When you're done, you don't stay there. They are going to kick you. Okay? Do the roll. Nice. How many are those?
7.
That's 7. We go, guys. Keep going. Join. You have to first do some push-ups. Your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We go, guys. 8, 9. Okay, join. Next time, don't be late. We go. Okay, guys. For those who can't manage, you're going to do it on my back. Okay? But if you can do a bridge, I can assist and then push you some little, okay? Okay? Okay, come. Jump over. And then we go. A bridge, then kick over. Yes, like this, you do a bridge, then kick over. Ready? Hands up. And then we go. Touch down, then boom. Turn, Adrian, hands up. We go. Touch down and then go. Very good. Okay, come and try yourself. If you want to try by yourself, it's also fine. And then kick over. Nice. That's a good landing. We go. Adrian. Sorry, George. Yeah. Okay, come. Nice. Hands up and then you turn around. We go. Touchdown. Adrian, you did. This is not nice. Don't hold the floor like this. You have to stretch your hands, okay?
Okay.
Okay, try one more time. Hands up.
Hands out. Stretch.
Hands stretch, stretch, stretch.
Stretch. Hands.
Stretch your hands. Yes, like that. Don't bend. We go. Black Panther, we go. Ha. George, and then go. Boom, nice. Okay, come. Done. Boom. Guys, one more round for all of you. We go. Tap and then a kick over. Let's go. Kick over. Harder. Very good. Come. Turn, turn, turn. And then we go. That's not a nice landing. Come on, try again. Don't fold your legs, huh? Make them straight. We go. Yes, good. No, it's over. You want to do again? Okay, come. Come. Yes? She did. Promise you didn't do? No, Adrian, I want your hands to stretch like this, okay? Stretch them out. Stretch them out, stretch them like that. Then we go boom, boom, nice. Okay. First one pillar, we extend this. There. Adrian, this one you leave it here. I think there is one more person missing. That's all. This is you. KUNS is the one. Come. So I'm starting with this person this side. You're here. One leg over this side and one this side. Okay? So change. Change, 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 okay? Once you jump, switch in air, like that, okay? This person here, stand up, I show you. Double land, okay? Turn, okay? You land with both legs together, okay? Nice, then you turn. You keep doing that. Adrian, come. Yes, you're going to do from there. Come, I show you. Yes, come this side. Are you able to jump like this? Side. And then side. Yeah. Okay, try and I see. 3, 2, 1, go. Side. Make sure you stand firm, okay? And side. Very good. That's Adrian. Sorry. So here, you jump and do a squat. Jump and do a squat. Jump and do a squat. Just that. This one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, okay? Are we ready? It's just the toe taps, okay? Ready? Adrian, wait for me. Okay, ready? Get set. George, let me see yours. What are you supposed to do? Let me see. Go. No, not one side. You change this side and then switch the other side. Like that. Okay? Let me see you. 1. No. Okay, we go. 1, tap, not like that. 1, take your time. 2, like that. Okay? No, not just stretching. You have to move. I sing. I move from here to there. Yes. Yes. This leg represses this. Like that. Yes. Yes. Okay, are we ready? Get set. 3, 2, 1, and start. Adrian, go. 3, 2, 1, jump. Jump. We go from here. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. We go. 3, 2, 1, go. Not stopping, guys. 3, 2, 1, go, guys. We go. Jump. Jump high. 3, 2, 1, go. 15 seconds to go. Jump. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes! Good. Let's go. Keep trying, Adrian. I like that. Yay! Very good. Okay, we go, guys. No, time up. Stop. Time up. Let me see. Hey! No. You jump and switch the legs in air like that. But don't, make sure you don't knock my cones, okay? 3. Are we ready? Let me see, George. Go. Tap. And tap. No, George. It's just this. See? Move there. Move close. Then tap. Move close. Then tap. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. Yes, like that. Ready? Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Start. There we go. Huh. Boom. Nice. Everyone, let's go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one leg here. Here we go. Tap, switch. Tap, switch. Okay, go. Just that. No, not like this. From down, switch. From down, switch. From down, switch. Yes, like that. Here we go. 15 seconds to go, guys. Let's go. Speed up. Speed up, guys. We go. Speed up, speed up, speed up. Yes, Adrian. Keep trying. Jump high. See how high you jumped? Now this one is very simple. Okay, stop. Yes, Adrian, you're not doing that. See, this is what you're going to do. Toe taps, shuffle, 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 shuffle. Just that, okay? Adrian, you don't jump on top. See, one leg on, then switch. One leg on. Switch, one leg on. Yes, like that. Ready? Yes, that's good, George. Let me see yours. 3, 2, 1, go. Start. We go. Huh? And land on toes. Land on toes like this. You bounce, bounce, jump. Bounce, bounce, jump. Switch. Bounce, bounce, jump. Bounce, bounce, jump. We go. Nice, guys. We go. Huh? Go, go, go. 20 seconds to go. 14. We go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Chechemulabye nga abastudenti baffe bano bakola basookedde mu warm-up ne baddukamu. Of course tetusobola kutandikirawo bintu biri strong omubiri tetunaba kubeerawo mudaafu. So tusookedde mu warm-up ne tuddako obusamasozi obwo obuli simple naye nga bustretchinga n'emigongo gyabwe. Omanyi abaana bato banyumirwa nnyo ebintu by'okwesuubasuuba bwe bati. So ne tuzaako physicals. Tukoze circuit. So egyo mulabye badde circuit zibadde physicals non-stop, badde intense. Laba n'abaana bali strong nnyo, nzikiriza nti bali strong kuba naawe omuntu omukulu bwe bakakuwa kano owulira nga kakusaanyaawo. Ate badde bakakolera eddakiika, abadde bakakolera seconds 45 buli kantu kabaddeko, then naswitching nedda kukalala. Are you now ready?